believe we should all go into dinner now. It's time, don't you think?
Oh, yes. Yes, shall we go in? Pablo must sit opposite me at the head of the table. After all, he's our guest of honor.
Thank you.
Yes, you may begin to serve the soup now, Marius.
Not any to me, Marius. I'd rather save my appetite for the main course. I can't resist mallard duck and orange. Can you, Pablo?
You can be frank, brother-in-law. If you don't care for the mallard, Marius can serve you anything you like.
Oh, no. I'm really very fond of it. But you mean that we're not waiting for Dominique?
She's resting in bed. She was indisposed this morning.
Yes, this morning she told us she must have a complete rest.
I'm afraid tonight she has to stay upstairs.
Watch what you're doing, Marius. While you fill this plate to overflowing.
Will you tell us your age, Pablo?
22.
Well, mine is a secret, but I can easily imagine the way you would shudder if you ask and I told you what it is.
But then my sister hates and despises time and his brother the calendar. She also thinks that time is an invention of foolish men.
And so it is. No doubt about it. I think the wine will please you. As a Burgundy, it's magnificent. Marius, serve him some wine at once.
No, you needn't pour it, Marius. I'll pour myself a glass.